Welcome back to the Elite Esthetician Hub for our masterclass series. Today, we are mastering the technical depth of professional Brazilian waxing. This advanced session is designed for the high-level beauty professional. Precision and skin integrity are our primary focus throughout this guide. A clinical environment is the first step toward achieving elite results. Sanitization of your workstation must be performed before every client. Always start the service by thoroughly cleansing the pelvic region. Use a high-potency antiseptic to remove all oils and surface bacteria. Debris on the skin can prevent the wax from adhering correctly to hair. Apply a botanical pre-wax oil to serve as a vital protective shield. This oil ensures the hard wax only grips the hair and not the skin. It is essential for minimizing trauma to the delicate epidermal layers. Select a premium polymer-based hard wax for all sensitive area work. The wax should be heated to a smooth and consistent honey-like texture. Always test the temperature on your own skin to ensure client safety. Positioning the client is critical for visibility and technical access. The butterfly position allows for the best reach during the first phase. Apply the wax firmly in the natural direction of the hair growth cycle. Use a clean wooden spatula and apply significant pressure during strokes. This pressure forces the wax to encapsulate the hair at the very root. Create a small reinforced tab at the end of every application strip. This tab acts as a handle for a clean and efficient removal process. Wait for the wax to polymerize until it is firm but still flexible. Hold the skin extremely taut with your hand before you attempt removal. Maintaining high tension is the secret to a painless and clean pull. Remove the strip in one fast motion, staying parallel to the skin surface. Never pull the wax upward, as this leads to skin lifting and bruising. Apply immediate hand pressure to the area to calm the nerve endings. Proceed systematically across the entire anatomical region of the client. Work in small sections to maintain total control over the skin reaction. For the labia areas, use smaller spatulas to manage the complex curves. Technical precision in these zones defines the master esthetician skill. A rhythmic flow between application and removal optimizes your timing. The elite professional balances speed with an absolute focus on safety. Consistency in your movements will build deep trust with your clients. We are now moving into the refinement and the post-care science phase. Mastering the transition from removal to recovery is vital for success. Your goal is to leave the skin perfectly smooth and highly nourished. Every stroke you make should be intentional and focused on the result. Professionalism starts with the way you handle your tools and products. The atmosphere of your salon should reflect the quality of your work. Always communicate clearly with your client about the next steps taken. This reduces anxiety and allows the body to relax during the treatment. Relaxed muscles allow for a much cleaner and easier hair extraction process. Observe the skin constantly for any signs of extreme sensitivity or heat. Being an elite esthetician means being hyper-aware of your client's needs. This concludes the foundational application phase of our advanced session. We will now focus on the intricate details of long-term skin health. The second phase of our treatment focuses on refinement and recovery. Once the bulk of the hair is removed, we perform the cleanup strips. Apply very thin layers of wax to catch the remaining fine vellus hairs. Always inspect the area for hairs growing in conflicting directions. Multi-directional growth is very common in the lower Brazilian zones. Adjust your application angles to ensure every follicle is addressed. Tweezing should be used sparingly to avoid unnecessary skin irritation. If you must use tweezers, always pull in the direction of the growth. After all hair removal is complete, we begin the deep recovery phase. Apply a post-treatment lotion infused with tea tree and cooling aloe. Tea tree oil provides a necessary antimicrobial barrier for open pores. Aloe vera instantly reduces redness and cools the treated tissue area. Educate your client on the critical nature of the first 48 hours. Instruct them to avoid high-intensity workouts and excessive heat. Steam rooms and hot tubs must be avoided to prevent infection risks. Tight clothing causes friction, which leads to irritation and breakouts. The skin needs oxygen as the hair follicles begin their healing cycle. Advise waiting 3 days before starting any chemical exfoliation. Salicylic acid is excellent for preventing the formation of ingrowns. Proper exfoliation ensures the new hair can break the skin's surface easily. This prevents painful bumps and maintains a smooth skin appearance. Encourage your client to maintain a strict 4-week booking cycle. Regular waxing leads to thinner hair and much more comfortable sessions. The more consistent the appointments, the better the long-term results. Professional ethics require you to document every session and reaction. Maintain a clinical and organized environment to uphold your standards. The reputation of an elite esthetician is built on results and hygiene. Your technique will continue to improve with every single application. Stay dedicated to the craft and study the latest in skin chemistry. High-level Brazilian waxing is a premium skill in the global market. Thank you for trusting the Elite Esthetician Hub with your training. Continue to practice these methods to reach the top of your profession. Your journey to becoming a master of aesthetics is progressing well. Stay professional and always prioritize the health of the client's skin. We look forward to seeing your technical growth in the next session. True success in beauty is found in the details of every treatment. Keep your standards high and your execution flawless every single day. Your clients will appreciate the care you put into their skin recovery. Advanced aesthetics is a blend of scientific knowledge and hand skill. Never stop refining the way you handle sensitive anatomical regions. Safety is the foundation upon which beauty and confidence are built. A successful Brazilian wax is one that leaves the client feeling empowered. Your role as an esthetician is to provide comfort through expert skill. Always use the best products available to ensure the highest standards. The future of your business depends on the quality of your education. This concludes our intensive guide on professional Brazilian waxing. We hope these elite techniques help you elevate your salon practice. Stay smooth and keep striving for excellence in everything you do today.